Sunday at Leeya Resort. Two villas for rent now. We've got a 1-bedroom villa and a 2-bedroom villa for rent. The 1-bedroom's 599 baht a day, or 499 baht if you take it for 1 week. So we can give you a discount. The 2-bedroom one is 999 for 1 day, or 890 baht for if you take it for 3 or more days. So, but nice and quiet, private parking, 2 kitchens. So really nice. And down the back you've got private parking, and there's 2 kitchens in both the villas. Right, what I'll do now is I'll turn around that way and I'll go and show you inside the villas. The villa's only 5 metres from the swimming pool, and here's the outside kitchen, sorry, the outside kitchen first. It's got a stove in it, and it's got a microwave and rice cooker, and the thing for making the spicy papaya. And then outside you've got 2 balconies. You can sit here and drink coffee and beer, and there's one at the back, so you've got 2. But this one's really nice and quiet. It's got the smart TV as well, a desk if you've got a computer, smart TV, and all the stuff you need: microwave, fridge, small oven, and toaster, and rice cooker. And the bedroom's a good size as well, and air condition as well. And it just looks out to the garden. The garden's all banana trees and fruit trees at the back. And then here you've got the toilet and the wash-hand basin and the shower, electric shower. All in all, it's nice and quiet. You can relax. But you can test it. You can try it for 1 day if you like. Just come and have a look and see what you think. And if you like it, I'll give you a price if you want it for a month, or you want a longer rental. But that's the table here, and that's the pool. Then we'll go to the back. The back's nice as well. You can dry clothes, and you can sit out here. So you can bring your car right to the back door, and you can sit here as well. So it's quite a big parking space. The villa's got solar cell lights, so at night time it's well lit up. 300 watts and 120 watts. So, and there's small units inside the parking space as well too. So it's nice in there, lit up at night. If you want to build a house like this, it's 160,000 baht. So if you wanted plans or the drawings for it, I've got them for 500 baht for the plans. I can show you you can come and look and see the layout. But it's a simple build, but it's a very nice small villa for rentals. Okay, so that's Leeya Resort in UdonThani, private pool villas for rent. From 499 baht if you take it for more than 2 days. I've got to pay the cleaners 250 to come and clean it, so it's got to be, I've got to charge for that. Okay.